one, of course, you need to get somehow your bike up, or you can use your stands, bike stands, or wherever you got. You can use one of these boys like I got in here, and just get the front wheel up. Second step going to be, you don't have to, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this mudguard on the front. You got a couple of boys in there, 1, 2, 3 boys on this side and the 3 on another side, and that should come off. That's the first step I do, because it makes easier access and to see what's going on. So let's crack on to remove the then to remove the mudguard, this easy steps. Like I said, the 3 boys in this side, 3 on the other side. Use Allen key like this. Remove this boy in here. It's a 30mm. It's not long. It's just a small. It's just a small boy. You can use a little bit bigger spanner, but it comes off, as you see, even holding your camera. To do the front is so easy actually to do it. The rear one is a little bit more to do. So the boy like this, 30mm. Remove this one, and now what we're going to do is we jump on this side, and we use Allen key for these 2 boys in here. So that's basically to release this boy, the longer one. I'm not too sure what you call it, but you're gonna see what I mean. Just release them, because basically what he does is just tight to make sure he's not moving around and that. Just release them. Don't take fully out. And the next step is going to be this boy. And as soon as we release these 2, now what we take is pretty big Allen key. Some of the big bikes are pretty huge ones, so I wouldn't be surprised if you don't have it. Just go to probably Euro Car Parts or Halfords, you will get it. Just screw it a little bit out. It's already pretty loose, so what I think we need to do is just a little small bangs from another side. Let's take an armor. Also remember, you don't want to damage it. So what I'm going to do is just going to place the camera just like that. Hopefully you're going to see it. Just place it in here, and a little bangs. Don't go too mad. Now jump this side, and let me show you. Hopefully you're going to see this. So you got this pin in here. So what you do, you hold from this side. This will make sure it's not dropped, and you just pull it out like that, just like that. Ta-da! So it's a boy like this. Wheel is coming out. Also, remember when you put it back, you got on the right side, on the brake disc side, you got a boy like this. It goes in here, and also we got another one on this side as well, just like that, in case when you put the new one back on. But this alloys is gone completely. Okay, so basically to put back this wheel is easy as you take it off. Remember these little boys each side, they go each side. Place them in here, lift the wheel up, and try to get actually to this boy. Drag this to the brake cylinder straight away. Try to get that one in. And as soon as you got that one, just lift the wheel up, use this boy in here, just place it in here, just like that. And just go through, bang if you need it. That's it, just like that. Just like that, and that's it basically. So your wheel is nicely, spins really good. So basically adjust your bolts in here. These 2 little boys. If you don't see from the far, remember you see previously how we did remove it. Just tighten these up.